So it's been roughly 2 to 3 days after we had that strong weather, torrential rain, strong and blustery winds. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to have a check on Goosey Walk. Because I'll go check now and again on this place, so to see how it's doing. Brambles need sorting. So what I'm doing here, I'm just checking for any big branches falling down or anything like that really. There's many like sycamore trees, all the leaves are dropping everywhere. A nice slick sycamore here. So this kind of stuff here, like this here, it's like dead and rotten. That's the kind of stuff that needs to be sorted, so I'll take a photo of this in a minute. Yeah, so that needs going. Put a bit of canker I think around here somewhere. Around the back here, so right here. That's the start of canker. Once you get canker, it'll affect the whole tree, and yeah, no good. This will happen. It's not so bad so far actually, considering the weather. Yeah, I put this on normal mode instead of stabilization mode, just to see what the difference is. That tree's fallen over, so there's hanging over, but they haven't said nothing about it yet. Not looking too bad at the moment. So in Cornwall we've had like bad weather, so yeah. Acorn tree, and I think that's an ash tree, so yeah. think that's got to die back. Let's take a photo of that one. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going around videoing the different parts of Cornwall, so if the people who can't get out, I just make a video for them. On it. Shit. A couple of these big branches there will be dropping soon. That's the acorn tree, like here and about here roughly, they could be dropping soon. Been cutting back the stuff anyway, stuff that needs to be cut back. Tell me what this is, I'm going to give you channel a shout out. Yeah. No need for that shit, are you? Just a massive one there. So that just a bit of an update on Goosey Walk. Next I'm going to be doing, I think it's the second woods since I've got my wellies, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Zooming out.